In the dim light of an old chess club, a quiet storm was about to unfold. White, a calm but cunning player, opened with 1. E4. Black, full of confidence, answered with 1. E5. The knights danced into the center. 2. Nf3 and C6, and it seemed like a classic game was about to begin. But White had a plan hidden beneath the surface. With 3. C3, White invited chaos, signaling the Ponziani Opening. Black, eager to counter, struck back with 3. Nf6. The board started to heat up. White pushed 4. D4, boldly claiming more space. Black, smelling opportunity, greedily captured with 4. Next 4. The trap had been set. White immediately pushed forward with 5. D5, pressuring the overextended knight. Black, refusing to back down, slid the knight back awkwardly to 5. N7. White coolly captured. 6 next 5. The battlefield grew sharper. Black tried to stabilize with 6. D6, but White had other plans. With 7. BB5 plus, a check came crashing down. Black, trying to build a defense, blocked with 7. C6. White was relentless. 8. DXC6, tearing open Black's fragile pawn structure. Black, desperate, countered with 8. Dex 5. The trap was nearly sprung. With 9. CXB7 plus, White advanced a pawn to the 7th rank, forcing Black into a critical move. Black tried to cling to life with 9. BD7, shielding his king behind pieces. But White was already 5 moves ahead. BXD7 plus, capturing with a furious blow. Black responded with 10. QXD7, hoping to stop the bleeding. But it was too late. White crowned the pawn, 11. Bexa 8 equals Q plus, throwing the game into chaos. Black cornered try 11. QD8, scrambling for survival. White, unshaken, calmly slid the queen to 12. Caxed8 hashtag, a perfect checkmate, sealing the chapter in ruthless style. No pieces were left to block. No escape squares remained. The trap had snapped shut. The room was silent, save for the sound of the final move. A brilliant victory crafted with precision, patience, and deadly ambition.